So now let's proceed to the lesson 23. In this lesson, we've learned some of the natural occurrences. So here are some of the natural occurrences in Cebuano dialect. So here in Cebuano, if you see hangin, in English that is wind. So hangin, wind. Huyuhoy. So huyuhoy in English that is breeze. Huyuhoy, breeze. Panganod. So panganod in English that is cloud or fog. Panganod, cloud or fog. Ipo-ipo. So the word ipo-ipo here in English that is cyclone or tornado. Ipo-ipo, cyclone or tornado. Yamog. So in Cebuano, if you see yamog in English that is dew. So yamog, dew. Taligsik. Taligsik in English that is drizzle or shower. So taligsik, drizzle or shower. Abog. So the word abog here in English that is dust. So abog, dust. Linog. So linog in English that is earthquake. So linog, earthquake. Kilat. So kilat is lightning. So in Cebuano, if you see kilat in English that is lightning. Bulan or moon. So bulan in English that is moon. Lapok. So lapok is mud. Ulan. So ulan in English that is rain. So ulan, rain. Bangaw. So bangaw in English that is rainbow. Bangaw, rainbow. Langit. So langit, according to them in English, that is sky or heaven. Langit, sky or heaven. Aso. Smoke. Aso or smoke. Yuta. So yuta in Cebuano in English that is soil. Yuta or soil. Bituon. So bituon is star. So the word bituon here is star in English. Singaw. So singaw is steam. Bato. So the word bato here in English that is stone. Adlaw. So adlaw in English that is sun.